Nola says hi. Welcome to Mad Mike's Garage. I'm going to show you my PPE lift pump that I installed on my Duramax. She's she's something else. Hi. Hello YouTube. I'm showing you the install of my PPE lift pump, and I want to it's not complete yet. I want to get some loom for my hose here. You need to get some 1/2-inch line. I didn't get the actual install kit from PPE, and I kind of wish I would have, because by the time I went to Napa and got the fittings to get it to the 1/2-inch barbed for these, I had about the same money in that you would if you would have went to Napa Napa. But if you'd have got the PPE install kit, it comes with some 1/2-inch line and the fittings for, I believe it's about $40 couple dollars, and I spent $40 couple dollars at Napa for the same. I got 5 foot of line, and then I had to get the adapter to run it out to the 1/2-inch barb. I will, like I said, I want to get some loom for this, just so it doesn't get damaged. And then the electrical side of it, I mounted everything up in the fuse box where the instructions told you to. So I just wanted to give you an idea where I put mine. I just mounted it to this cross member right in front of the radiator for the fuel return. I guess it cools the fuel down. You can see it in the background. It cools the fuel down coming from your return before it goes in your tank. So I cut into, get this light here good for you. I cut into the 1/2-inch line heading up to the front right here. So I cut the line here, and then you just need to run your lines off of that, and that's pretty much it. It could have been cleaner. This should do fine for me. We'll see how long this pump lasts. I'm curious. A lot of the guys run the $600 and $700 pumps and say this one's junk, so we're gonna find out. I don't drive this truck a lot, so if it craps out on me on a short period of time, then it is junk. But if I was, pulling hot shots, I'd probably get the $700 or $800 pump if I was making a living with my truck. But for this is recreation for me. No, I don't want it to crap out, but they do say if this does happen to go out, that it's a flow-through design, and your truck will run just fine with it on. So there's that to keep in mind. Hopefully you can see what I did here. I just ran it in here. See if I can get you a decent shot. My light's fighting me here. So like I said earlier, I cut the 1/2-inch line here. This here metal line was mated up with this metal line, which is the 1/2-inch line. I cut it off, run that in. As you can see, that goes into the inlet, and this here one will go to it runs up and over here, comes back down around to the outlet side. So that's pretty much it. I was going to show you the actual installation, but it's not actually that hard. I do need to do a little more, like I said, tidying up, get some loom on these hoses so they don't get any damage from laying against the frame or anything. And the rest was done up in a fuse box, and I believe one is a 12-volt constant, the other one is a 12-volt ignition, and the other one is a starter relay. So as soon as you turn the truck on, it doesn't do anything until you try to actually start it, and then it'll kick on, and then it'll run the whole time the truck's on, and then when you shut it off, of course, the pump shuts off then. But the main thing is when you turn the key on to just 12 volt constant, it doesn't run. So you can, if for whatever reason, if you need to turn your ignition switch on, your pump's not going to be sitting there and just pumping away. So I guess that's the reason why there's 3 separate fusible links there. So let me know if there's anything else you guys want to see about this. Pretty simple installation. I did upgrade my factory fuel filter to the Sinister diesel pump, and I can show you that here real quick. Just give me a minute. Hey, hello YouTube. Here is my Sinister diesel adapter. It literally screws on just like your factory fuel filter would, and then it takes the cat filter 1R-0750. It is supposed to be a 2 micron filter, and I got this off Amazon as well as the lift pump, and so far so good. Everything seems to be working well. I already replaced my my 1/2-inch fuel lines that run from the fuel filter over to the underneath the EGR there. I replaced them already, so everything's looking pretty good and healthy here. So I will update you with any change from that, and I will also put my Amazon affiliate links for this fuel filter adapter and filter, and then also the PPE lift pump that I showed you earlier. I'll put both of those Amazon affiliate links in the description. So please like and subscribe to me. I'd appreciate it. We're just trying to grow here, and I can't wait for boating season, and I'm getting in this RC car stuff, so hope you guys don't mind that too. It's fun. I went to an RC drag racing event over the weekend, and I think I'm pretty well hooked. I just need to convince the missus that, it would be, a good idea to do that. So like I said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time here on Man Mike's Garage.